Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, I want to talk to you about sections, why you should use sections and how good they are. So on the screen, if I go back to home, this is where the section feature is. You can see the sections here. You create a section, you add a section, and you can delete a section. So in this particular presentation about the Battle of Waterloo, I've got 4 sections which I can collapse, and then you can see the whole structure of this presentation like so. Also, if I open up one of these or click on one of these, I can change the design style for that section only, and if I open up the other sections, they're still set as they were originally using the design theme that originally was on the presentation. Now if I just right click on this section, intro, and remove all sections, so you've got that option as well, remove sections and slides. I'm going to remove all sections, so that's got rid of everything. So this is how you would create a section. Wherever you click, you can create a section. If I go home, I can click on section, add section, and this one I will call British. That's the section there, and then that sits there. Now at the top here, you've automatically got this default section. If I right click on there, I can rename that. I'll call that main, and then you're going down through your presentation, clicking where you want a section to start. So this is going to be a new section, add. I'll call this one French, enter on that one, coming down to the end, and I'll just do one more, call that one index, add section, index. Now when you've got your sections, if I just right click on these again, you can see you've got quite a bit of option available to you like this. On the right mouse click, you can collapse them all, you can move them up. So if I collapse them all, first off, that is them collapsed. If I right click again, I can move a section up. I can actually just drag the whole section as well and drop it. All the slides that are part of that section are moving when I do that. And if I click on British again, change that design to something else, purple, that is only going to apply to that section. The French and the index and the main are still on this design theme. If I right click on main again, you can expand all, so it shows you the whole presentation slide deck like so. Now if you drag a slide, so there's one here that's got Wellington on it. If I pick that up and push that into the other section, the British section, come down to there, say, so that is now sitting in this section, but it's still got this theme. Now if I go back to the top and click on British, change that to a different theme, it now picks that up. The rest of it hasn't, and I can go back and choose the purple one again if I want, just for that section. So sections allows you to manipulate your PowerPoint presentation, move chunks of slides around, give some structure to it, and show you basically an outline of your presentation. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can use sections to control and manage your slide decks. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.